In this video, we're going to upgrade our cortex so that it can talk to our new version of Robot C. So I need everyone to make sure that they have their cortex, the little gray and silver box that's the brain for the robot. It needs to be turned off and have no battery attached to it. And then also you need to have the orange USB cable from your VEX kit. I'm going to look for the VEXnet firmware upgrade utilities by pressing the start button on my computer. And then in the program search bar, I'm going to type in VEXnet firmware. Oh, and here it is right here, VEXnet firmware upgrade utility. I'm going to choose that. And then it says connect a device. So I'm going to plug in my USB cable to the computer port. And then I'm going to plug the other end to my cortex. It's taking just a few minutes to talk to each other. And notice that when I plug this in, it says upgrade required, click bootload now. So over here on the side, I'm going to click bootload. It says start the bootloader. Yes, I want to start. Oh, and now it's telling me to connect a device. I'm having issues, so I'm going to bootload. Yes. It is waiting for my device. So I'm going to unplug and plug back in. And now I guess it did update the bootload. And so now it's telling me update master code. Click download now. So I'm going to download. And I'm waiting a few minutes while it goes through all of the sectors to rewrite the code on the cortex. Still waiting, still waiting. Oh, and I had this problem earlier. And so what I had to do was close it down and start back. For some reason, it's losing connection with my device. So this device is ready. So let's click download. It's still telling me to reconnect. I'm going to go back. And unplug and replug. And update master code. Click download now. I'm going to click download. It's already written these sectors before on my first attempt, so it should go a little faster. This robotics unit is going to teach you a lot of patience. Things will not always go your way the first time. And so we will ask you to do things over and over. And that's because it will work eventually. And there's really not anything different we can do. Oh, wonderful. This is what we were looking for. Notice now I have green. VEXnet is up to date. No action required. So this cortex is good and ready to go. I can unplug it. And then I can plug in another one and change it. You should only have to do this once. At the beginning of the year, because that's when we update the software. Once this firmware is downloaded, then we should be good. So now you're going to go to the next video, which shows you how to set up Robot C to work with your new VEX Cortex.